Hey G Squad, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, that's cool right here, and pretty much what this is a smart humidifier. If you can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one particularly they call it Classic 300S Ultrasonic Smart Humidifier, and for the one that we got right here is a blue one. They also have this available in a gray color as well, so if you guys prefer the gray one, you can get that instead. But if you can see on the back right here, they do provide some specs and features about the product. So they mention how the product is, and use it for 60 hours when you guys use it correctly. They do have a smart control. It has a top view design, and you do have the option to use essential oil on here if you guys want to, which is pretty nice. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, here's what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they provide you guys some of these accessories that you can use in terms of the pad option, the brush option, etc. And right underneath that, we do have the product. You can see how it's all protected, but let's take it out. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. You can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. Let's take out the bag first. Once you guys do take out the bag, this is what the product looks like. So the front part right here, we do have the brand name. Bottom part right here, we do have the display screen to show you guys what you guys are using. And we do have different buttons for you to use. So we do have the sleep option, the light option, the mist level option, and the power button. Top part right here is where the mist can come out. And you do have the option to turn it to change the direction on here if you guys do want to, which is pretty nice. And the way how to design the product, it does have a top fill option. So right to open up. That is very important to water, which is really nice. And the mist will come out right here in the middle. I believe for this part, if you guys want to take it out, you do have the option available. If you see how they do have the tape on the side, let me remove the tape first and see what happens. So once you guys remove the tape, if you guys try to take it out, you do have the option to take it out if you guys do want to. But once you guys do take it out, that is what the inside looks like. So whether if you guys want to take it out to refill it, or if you guys want to take the whole entire thing to refill it, that is totally up to you guys. But it's probably easier for you to take it out to actually refill it much easier from the top. And I do love the fact that how they do have a handle on both sides, so that would carry around real easily, which is pretty nice. And when you guys do add the water inside, you do not want to add essential oil inside. There's another spot for you to do it. Let me show you where. So you can see the back part right here. That is where you guys can put in the essential oil when you guys want to use it. So the way how to open it is by pushing in, and you take it out really easily. So that is where you put the essential oil if you guys want to use it. Once you guys are done, you guys can put it back inside and push it in to lock it back in. And then here we do have the cable for you to plug in to actually use it with 2-prong option. And when you guys do look at the bottom, here's what the bottom part looks like. So they do have the non-slip material on here to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And that is everything that's on the product. So a few other things that I do want to mention about the product is the fact that it does have a built-in night light option in the front, if you can see right there. So I will show you guys what it looks like in a second in a darker setting. And the other thing that I do want to mention about the product is the fact that it does have an auto shut off option. Once it runs low on water, it does know how to turn it off. And in terms of the size of the water tank that's on here is 6 liters, which should last you guys for over 2 days, which is pretty nice. And like I mentioned for the product, it does give you guys an app control option. So you guys can feel free to control it on here, or you can use the app, or you can also use the voice control, which I'll show you in a second. What I'll do right now is to add some water inside, and we'll plug it in to test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so I just filled a little bit of water inside. What I'm going to do is put it on top. So right here we do have the product. If I do put it back on top, once you guys do put it on top, this is what the product looks like. Let me put it back on the lid. Once we do put it on the lid, this is what the product looks like. So if I do turn it on, that is what the screen looks like. So I'll show you guys the humidity level that's on here, which is 44%. And top right there, you can see we do have the mist coming out. So it might be hard for you guys to see in the video, but you guys can definitely see a little bit coming out. So right now we do have it set on auto mode. If you guys do press on this button, now we do have a low, medium, and high. I'll show you the close-up view in a second later on, where I do bring in a darker room to show you the night light option as well. But you can see how when you guys do turn it on, this is what it actually looks like on high. So there's a lot of mist that comes out. If you guys do turn on the light in a bright setting, that is what the light looks like. So it's harder for you to see it in bright setting. If you guys do press on again, it gets brighter. Press on again, it turns off. So there's a low and a high option. And right above that, we do have the sleep option. So obviously for the product, it's kind of heavy when you guys do carry the water inside. But you can see it's very easy and very simple for you to use it. I think the one thing I do like the most is the fact that it does give you a hand on both sides to carry around real easy, which is pretty cool. But here's what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. What I'm doing right now is connect it on the app to show you guys how to connect it and what actually works when you guys do use it. So the app that you guys want to download is called VSync. So it should look something like this when you guys do download it. So once you guys do finish setting it up, you guys want to click on plus right here to add it. Once you guys go right here, you can see I found the device. So I'm going to click right here to add it. It'll tell you guys to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until you guys see like the Wi-Fi indicator light. So I do press and hold it. You can see how we do have a Wi-Fi indicator light that pops on, and now tell you guys to connect on the 2.4 network. Once you guys do that, it starts connecting. And it found the device. So I'll tell you guys to name the device. So I'll name it water. Now tell me to update the firmware. So I want to do that as well. And it'll probably take a few minutes. So I'm gonna finish first. Alright, so we just finished. I'm gonna click on next. And then here's what the app looks like once you guys finish setting it all up. So that's tell you guys the humidity level that's on here, which is 46. And right now we're using a level 9, which is max. So you can feel free to adjust the different setting on here if you guys do want to. So we're in sleep. You guys do auto. You do have those different options available. And when you guys do scroll down, right here we do have the option for you guys to control the humidity level on here when you guys do use it. And we do have the auto off option that I mentioned. And if you guys look at the bottom right here, we do have some more stuff as well. So we do have the off option, on option, nightlight option, schedule option, and timer option. So I can feel free to control everything on here as well, which is pretty cool. So what I'm doing right now is put this right here to show you guys when it's on or off when we do use the voice control option. But before we use the voice control option, I want to show you guys when it actually works on here. So if I do turn it off, it does turn off. Turn it on, it does turn on. Press the nightlight option, that does turn on. Timer option, you do have the option to use timer option on here if you guys want to. The max that's on here is 24 hours. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. Now try the voice control option. So here we do have it set up. Let's give it a try. Alexa, turn off water.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on water.
Okay.
Alexa, turn max on water. So I can see it does work when you guys do use it, turn it on and turn it off and change the different setting on here if you guys do want to, which is very easy and very simple. So really cool to give you guys the option to use the voice control, app control, and the manual control on here as well. And you can literally get everything on here in terms of the cool mist option, the handle option, the top fill option, and the essential oil option in the back, which is pretty cool. So what I'm doing right now is to bring it over a darker setting to show you guys what it should look like with the night light option. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product all set up. So what I'm doing is turn it on first. Once you guys turn it on, you can see the mist comes out. If you guys press on again, here's what it actually looks like on high. You can see how there's a lot of mist coming out. And like I mentioned, for the product, it does have a nightlight option. So let's do turn it on. Here's what it actually looks like in the bright setting. Let's turn off the light. So you can see when you guys use the nightlight option, it's a small little light that's in use. It doesn't cover like the whole entire humidifier when you guys do use it, but it is pretty bright. If you guys do press on again, it does get brighter. If I do make the room even darker, this actually looks like in the dark setting. So really cool, I should give you guys a nightlight option on here if you guys want to use that option. And obviously for the product, it does have a sleep mode option. So that way it's much more quieter when you guys do use it. And it does turn off the display and the light. So that way when you guys fall asleep at night, it's much easier. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. I do have another option available from the same exact brand. Let me actually show you guys a side-by-side comparison in terms of what it actually looks like. So here we do have the other one. You can see the way how they designed this one is slightly different than the other one. This one's like a rectangle long way, where for this one's horizontal like this. But in terms of what you guys do get is actually very similar. They do give you guys like the auto mode, the sleep mode, the timer option, and the different mist level. But you can see for this one, when you guys do use it, there's two ways for where the mist comes down. One right here and one right here. And for this one, it does give you guys a warm option or a cool mist option. But for this one, only give you guys a cool mist option. And also for this one, it does give you guys a nightlight option, where for this one, it does not. So that is what you guys get for both of these. So those are the main difference between both of these. But for this one, you also get like the essential oil option, similar to what you guys get in this one. And the way how I refilled it, you guys want to take this part out and refill it from the bottom, which you guys have to unscrew. Where for this one, all you need to do is open the lid to refill it, which is more convenient, in my opinion. But if you guys do turn it on, let me show you guys what it actually looks like for the lowest setting for both of them. So right now we do have it on for both of them on the lowest setting. So I can see how once you guys do turn it on, it's actually very quiet. And there's a good amount of mist that comes out when you guys do use it. So this actually looks like low. Let me turn on high for both of them. Alright, so now we got a high in both of them. You can see how much more mist comes out when you guys do use it. So for one of them, it only give you guys one direction, where for this one, it does give you guys two directions. But when you guys look at the power for both of them, it does seem like this one's a lot more powerful since it only goes one way, where this one actually has to separate two ways. So in a way, if you guys do think about it, this one gives you guys a lot more coverage in both directions if you guys want to, where for this one only goes one direction. But here's what the pot looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it does work, and it works pretty well. Regardless of which one I do get, that is totally up to you guys, but it does work really well, you can see. Alright, going back guys. So next, I'll test the product, and definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. You can see how when you guys use it in darker setting, it looks so much cooler. So that way you do have a little night light option if you guys want to, but you do have the option to turn it off as well, which is pretty awesome. You can see when we do compare this one to the other one that's from the same exact brand, it's actually very similar in terms of what you guys do get. But I feel like the way how you guys refill the tank on here is so much easier than the other one since it is a top fill option. And also for this one, it does give you guys a smart option to use app control and voice control as well, where for the other one does not, unless if you guys get the white color option. But for both of these, when you guys do use it, it does give you guys very good coverage if you guys want to use it for small room, medium sized room, or large room. One thing to note about the other one that I show you guys is the fact that for that one, there's two ways for where the mist comes out, where for this one only give you guys one way. So if you guys do want the option where the mist comes out two way, then the other one's a better option to go for. But if you guys don't mind and only want the one option where the mist comes out in one direction, then this is actually pretty good. But regardless of which one you do get, both of them works pretty well, and both of them are 6 liter. So it should last you guys for more than 2 days if you guys use it consistently. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality humidifier to use in your room, whether it's for yourself, your baby, or your plants. That also give you guys the option to use essential oil as well, and everything else I mentioned. That I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one, and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.